Hi everybody, welcome back to the channel and thank you so much for being here. Today I have our Relax and Radiate crate. I'm a little worried. I don't think it's supposed to be a rattle. Let's get into it. Check it out. I did this last season. This is the Summer Relax and Radiate. The first one that I did was the spring. I will link that at the end if you want to go back and check it out. It is through AARP and it's part of The Girlfriend. They do podcasts and everything, but it is from AARP. Somebody asked me about it, so I went ahead and signed up for it. I thought I'd let it come for a couple, 3 months to see if it was something we wanted to continue on the channel. I'm a little nervous. This has got a rattle. I can't show you the front because they put several stickers all over the front with my address on it, so I've only shown you guys the back. Let me tell you a little bit about it before we get involved. It is free shipping. It is $50 if you pay quarterly, which I am doing. If you sign up for a whole year, it is $45. I was not willing to make that commitment. They have quarterly subscription boxes, uplifting, women-focused digital community, and products for your self-care journey. The Girlfriend, which is who this is brought to you by through AARP, is the award-winning weekly newsletter and online community for 40-something women. Well, I'm more than that, so. Our mission is to create an engaging and supportive place for women to convene, confab, and commiserate about all the ways life is affecting us right now, while providing enriching content with the very best in sex, health, money, relationships, fashion, beauty, self-care, and more. They don't have codes. Like, I'm paying for this, they don't have a code, but if you go to the website and you sign up for their email, you will get a code for $10. $10? Yes, $10 off your first box. Okay, let's just dig into it and see what this rattle's all about. Mostly at this point, I mean, I hate that something's broken, but at this point, I'm just really praying that it's not a mess. It sounds like a mess. I don't see anything. Oh, I think a silica packet, maybe? I think that, yes. A silica packet that they had in there just broke. I know. Don't eat it. All right. Yay. Okay. First out of the box, we have the Relax and Radiate crate. There's a picture, boop, really quickly on the back that shows us everything that will be in the box. We also get the Girlfriend magazine from AARP. This is volume 2, summer 2022. And the inside of this tells us, get out of your comfort zone in 3 steps. An amazing workout. Blue cocktails to celebrate summer. Simple dinner ideas. What do we got? Quinoa sushi salad. Oh, that looks good. Makes me wish I had crab for... I do have crab. Okay, I'm sorry, I've slipped into a tangent. You know, right here in the Mid-Atlantic, we eat a lot of crab, and it's blue crab season, so I'm busy making crab cakes, but this quinoa sushi salad, if it's Weight Watchers friendly, sounds delicious. Chicken peppers and feta pasta, broccoli and bacon salad, enchilada casserole. Those all... I might just be hungry. Those all look silly delicious. Easy way to grow herbs, 3 lesser known but fabulous national parks, 5 tips for creating a stunning backyard without spending a fortune. Let's just dig into this and see what I've got. First out, we have a book. Yay. Oof. I haven't read the silica. We do have some random silica. I have not read last month's book. I set it aside, to be honest. I set it aside for my mom. I think it was a mystery, and she loves a mystery. I set it aside for her and never gave it another thought. This month we have Elizabeth Strout, Anything is Possible. This book, this writer are magnificent. By the New York Times bestselling author of, Olive Kitteridge, and My Name is Lucy Barton. So it's a novel. The back says nothing. The back really is just pictures of what we have. It says what I just told you. But the back of this says, in Anything is Possible, which is this book, Elizabeth Strout explores the whole range of human emotion through the intimate dramas of people struggling to understand themselves and others. Well, that said absolutely nothing. Here are 2 sisters. One trades self-respect for a wealthy husband, while the other finds in the pages of a book a kindred spirit who changes her life. A grown daughter longs for her mother even as she comes to accept her mother's happiness in a foreign country, and Lucy Barton returns to visit her siblings after 17 years of absence, reverberating with a deep bond of family and the hope that comes in reconciliation. Anything is possible. Confirms Strout is one of our most grace-filled and graceful writers. Well, here's what I learned from that. I would suggest that My Name is Lucy Barton hit your summer reading list before you read this, because if Lucy makes a return, we're just not going to care unless we've read that My Name is Lucy Barton. I'm just saying. I'm that person. Yes. My mom and I have had this conversation several times. We've belonged to book groups before, where in the book groups, somebody will actually choose something that's like a second or third in a series. It breaks my brain. I can't do it. I have to read the ones that come before it. I just can't. Like, who would watch the second Star Wars first? Nobody. Nobody would do that. Don't do that. You get my point. Okay, next out, I don't know what this is. This is listed as one of the things. El Camino Travel. Women travel boldly. We are a new type of travel company for the bold woman traveler. We don't just preach off the beaten path. We live it. We breathe it. We reimagine it. We are El Camino. Our boundary-pushing commitment to sustainable, responsible travel is what put us on the map. 6 years, 7 countries, and 1,000 travelers. Okay. Anyway, what do we get? Save big on El Camino Clubhouse membership. Okay. Now, this, you don't get to count this as an item in a box. If you want to buy something, you can have it for 50% off. And it's listed, no, not cool. Just going on the record, not cool. Anyway, if you would like to look into it, it does sound kind of cool. It says, immerse yourself in destinations as a traveler, not a tourist. We specialize in unique travel moments that are hard to arrange on your own. Say goodbye to hours of dead-end research. Get $250 off our small group trips as many times as you'd like with no annual limits. Never says on here how much it costs to become a member, but it is 50% off your first year with that. So, next out, we have a white box. What could it be? Is sunglasses. All right. You guys know I like sunglasses. I like to rotate through sunglasses. Ooh, these look kind of like me. They feel a little less expensive. Is it the tag that makes it? I don't love these. These feel a little cheap, and the color of the glass is bluish, and it's an, wow, I'm trashing this. It is an inexpensive quality, not like an optical quality glass, and everything looks a little fuzzy. So yeah, these are good. You know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna throw these in like the glove box or center console of one of my vehicles. Just leave it in here and chuck it in there, because I have left the house accidentally before and not had a pair of sunglasses on me. And this is perfect for that. Not super impressed so far for my 50 bucks. Next out, Laura Geller. Okay, this is getting better. We have the Laura Geller Spackle Skin Perfecting Primer. It's the original Ethereal Rose Glow. Oh, look at me saying ethereal. When I read that every time, I know it's ethereal. My brain wants to say ethereal. Ethereal Rose Gold Spackle. Did I just pick this in a box? Was this just like a boxy choice? Maybe an Ipsy choice? I think I chose it. Well, anyway, that would be hilarious. Well, I'm gonna open this one, and if I get it again, unless I love it, if I love it, maybe I'll keep it, because Ethereal Rose does sound like something I would love. I will pass the next one along. That is hilarious. Work. Okay, there you go. Let's see what Ethereal Rose looks like. Oh, I like it. It's not real silicone-y. It's a primer, right? Yes. Well, first of all, it's wet for a primer. Let me show you if the wet comes across. Can you see how it... Oh, it's a silicone. I was like, what in the world? I'll be finding those up here for weeks. See how it looks kind of wet? It has no scent. Oh, I like that. I don't know what I expected, but I think I expected more silicone. I thought that these had a silicone slip to them. This does not. That feels really hydrating, but not like a moisturizer. Just like a fresh splash of refreshing water. I also don't see any glow. You see any glow? But I do like the texture that it left my skin with. Well, I think I have several coming, so we'll see if I like it. We will report back. Oh, I have a Laura Geller piece of paper that says, makeup for mature skin. New to makeup? Start with our fan favorites that's perfect for beginners. We are treating you to 35% off site-wide. Code AARP30. If you are a Laura Geller fan who's been waiting for a sale, there you go. Okay, next out, we have, oh, more silicone. The worst part is I'm dropping it on the floor, which means I'm gonna be dragging it downstairs too. What do we have here? Sun visor. Packable sun visor. I have been saying all summer that I needed a sun visor. I can't wear hats because it makes me too hot. It's hot. So this would work because I think I'd have to do away with that. And how's that gonna? Yeah, there's nowhere to tuck that. So this might work because, oh, too small, hold on. Maybe I should do this. Because then the heat of my head, well, that's embarrassing. People could see that I needed several inches. It wasn't allowing. Because the heat of my head can still escape. Cute. I actually could have used this all summer long. It's cuter than I would have guessed. I could have used this all summer long for my girls' swim meets. It would have been perfect. How's it look? Is my hair trying to ooch out the top? That way your heat can get out, but your face is still protected. Yeah, I needed this. This might go to Disney World. I might be... Oh, I don't think I can handle the abuse that will come with this. That's gorgeous one there. Let me put my finger there and see how much, because I can't see the back. Oh yeah, so I have like, I have a big head. I've told you guys that. See the back Velcro? I have like half of that exposed. Like that much of that was exposed. I don't know that I will like that look. I mean, let's be frank. That is super handy. Okay, I'm okay with that one. Adjustable straw visor to keep your face safe from the sun. Just for the record, none of these, very few of these, none so far, except for the book, none of these have branding. So I suspect they put it together on like, I hate to say this, I could be wrong, I don't know anything, but like an Alibaba type site where you just, so we have a candle. Did I not get this exact candle last season in pink? Isn't this where I got it from? Don't get me wrong. I like candles. Yeah, I would bet my bottom dollar that I got this exact look, but in a fuchsia-y pink last season. This is purple, so it will look quite nice in my room, except for it would blend in like crazy. I mean, it's very pretty. What is that scent? Lavender. Isn't that? It's nice enough. It's very subtle, very, very subtle. It's fine. I don't know that this is the box for me. I'm gonna put that back in there in case one of my girls is allowed to have a candle and would like a purple candle in their room. Next out, also branded. Have you guys noticed it's all the things in boxes are branded, the Relax and Radiate, and it matches the box that it came in? That is kind of clever. I guess you can do that when you're not working with a brand that wants their brand on the box. This is a slim Can Koozie, hand wash only, do not microwave. Yes, do not put your White Claw in here and then microwave it like I know you want to do. It's even branded on the bottom with the girlfriend, which is who does this with AARP. Kind of cute. I will pass this along probably to my daughter. I always give her all of these because I just really don't drink anything that comes in a tall can, at least unless I'm at a party. This has a slightly unusual smell too. I have found that to be the case. Last month we got a picnic bag that I almost couldn't use because the plastic smell on it was so strong. Okay, next we have, oh, this is cute, Melamine, stinking silica. It's just everywhere. Melamine Plates set of 4. This would be so cute for when we have the girls. So I will absolutely wash these up, tuck them away somewhere, and it's a perfect little size. Really, only the 2 littles are perfect for it. 2 olders are 11 and almost 15. Oh, our baby. But these are so cute. So we have green, pink, blue, and blue, light blue. And I hope you guys can see. I'll show you on the pink. It's just got like little circles, probably meant to look like little bubbles. They're 4, I'd say they're 9-inch melamine plates. They're cute. They are, wow. They are branded, if that's at all possible, probably not. They are branded the girlfriend. I mean, they brand it all, do they not? I mean, it's cute. Not just these colors. A for effort. And last, I have 0 idea what this is. It is a woven tote bag. Oh, there Oh my gosh. Okay, this is cute. This saves the box. How cute is that? I don't think I would use it to take like to the beach because you wouldn't want to get sand on it, but honestly, how cute would this be for like a library bag? Or, oh yeah, that is adorable. It's a nice heavy macrame. The handle is kind of woven. Yeah, all right. I like that. What is that? Oh, the inside, I mean, it is literally, they literally like macrame'd this because this is the inside bottom. So they just pulled it up and pulled it in. So that's what the inside bottom looks like from when they finished weaving it. All right. What do you guys think? Let me know. Shall I even do the fall one? Let me know below what you think. This is a $50 box. And we got this woven tote bag, which is super cute. The 4 melamine plates, let's be frank. You can pick them up at the dollar store. The Laura Geller spackle, that's good. That's probably $30-ish. The roll-up visor that lets the heat out of your head. I like that. Unfortunately, I have a huge head, so it doesn't look the best on the top of my head. This was the tall can holder, the sunglasses, the purple candle, the Elizabeth Strout Anything is Possible book, which I'm going to have to get the other book from the library to start with, and 50% off travel. Is that what we got? Yes. That's it. All right. Again, I don't know that I'm inclined to get this again unless you guys are really, I would kind of like to see what a fall box looks like. You know, fall could be really cute. It could have some fall decor in it. I do like the fall boxes. I like all the fall boxes. Okay, well, let's decide. Let's vote yes or no. Let me know below what you guys think. Should I do this again or no? And we'll go from there. Thanks so much for coming by. Again, this is the Relax and Radiate crate. I'll put the link below just to make it easy on you guys, but if you forget about it, don't worry. It's just Relax and Radiate. They don't give codes or anything. I paid for this box. I'm not an affiliate. They don't give codes. But like I said, when you go to the website, if you give them your email and then wait a few minutes, they'll send you an email and you'll get $10 off your first box if this is something you have any interest in. Thank you for coming by. I appreciate you spending the time with me when we try these new boxes, pass or fail. Let's decide. I hope I see you again really soon. Please like, subscribe, hit the notification bell so you'll know when I have more videos coming out, and have a great evening, guys.